Good morning, children. How are you? Fine, right? Today we are going to study the last lesson of fourth block. Lesson number 4, Ordering Story Problems. Shall I share you one of my experience? 1 year back, I got 200 rupees from my dad and 100 rupees from my mom on Eid day. Do you like Eid? Yes, so that day I got 200 rupees from my dad and 100 rupees from my mom. And they says, take this money and keep. You can buy anything as you wish. I was very happy that time. And next day, I went to my mom's house. And from there, I got 20 rupees from my grandmom. I was thrilled. Then, when I come back to my home, I got 50 rupees from my one and only brother. I was very excited. Why? Because I got loads of money. So I kept it safely. And these are the monies I got last year. Here 200 rupees and 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 100 rupees. So, can you say which is the most amount here? What is most? Most mean greatest amount, bigger amount. Here which is the greatest amount? Here rupees 200, right? Then can you say which is the least amount? What is least? Least means smaller, means less amount. Here 50, 20 and 100 and 200. Which is least? Which is smaller amount? 20, right? So here we know the least and the most amount. Okay? So that are the keywords that we are going to study in this lesson. So we can write keywords most and least. Here most means greatest or big. Okay? Then the least means smaller or less. Here we got the most amount is 200 and the least amount is 20, right? So, can you arrange these rupees in decreasing order? First, we can write the rupees given. First, rupees 200, then 100, then 20, rupees 20, then rupees 50, rupees 200, rupees 100 and rupees 20 and rupees 50. So can you arrange these numbers in decreasing order? What is decreasing order? Arranging numbers from greatest to the smallest. Okay. So which is the greatest amount here? We can count the number of digits first. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 and 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Here only 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So which is the greatest? This or this? We can check. We can check the number written in highest place. Here highest place is hundreds place. So in hundreds place the number is written as 2 and here 1. So we got 200 is the greatest number. 200 is the greatest number. So which is greater than next three digits number 100. Then which number 20 or 50? Here 2 in tens place and 5 in tens place. Which is greater? 5. So we can write 50 is greater than 20. So we got 200 is greater than 100 is greater than 50 is greater than 20. Then we arranged these amounts in degrees in order from greatest to the smallest. Okay. Here I shared one of my experience. Like that we have many situations where we need to order the numbers. Here in your textbook, in page number 22, an example question is given. Okay, shall we read? Kiran, Maya, Ella and Anu were walking in a park. The table shows the number of steps each girl walked. There are 4 friends, Kiran, Maya, Ella and Anu were walking in a park. And then they counted the number of steps walked. And here in your textbook a table is given which shows their name and the number of steps they walked. So here in the first question, arrange the names of the girls in increasing order of the number of steps. We have to arrange this number of steps in increasing order. Okay. Then Kiran walked 132, Maya walked 163 and Ella took 173 steps and Anu took 155 steps. Then we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. So what is increasing order? Arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay. So first we have to find which is the smallest number here. We can see these all numbers are 3 digits numbers. So we can check the number written in hundreds place. Here 1, 1 and all are same. Then we can move to the next place. Which place? Tens place. Very good. Then here in tens place 3. Then here 6. Here 7. And here 5. So all are different. So which is smaller? 3. Right? So we can write 132 first. Which is smaller than which number? Which is smaller, 6, 7 or 5? 5. So we can write 155 next. Then 163. Then last 173. So now we arrange these numbers in the order increasing. We arrange these numbers in increasing order. So we can read the next question. Names of girls in increasing order. Names of girls in increasing order. So we already arranged these numbers in increasing order. we can see that here 132 steps walked by Kiran. So we can write the name Kiran here. Okay. Then 155 steps walked by or took by Anu. Here Anu. So we can write the name Anu here. Then the next number is 163. Where is 163 here? Here. Then this number of steps took by Maya. So we can write Maya here. Then 173 is the last number. Where is 173 here? Yes, here. So these are the number of steps took by Ella. So we can write the name Ella here. Okay, you understand? Then what is the next question? Who took the most steps? Who took the most steps? What is most? Most means greatest. So who took the most steps? Who took the greater number of steps here? So we can check this increase in order. What is increase in order? Again, can you say? Arrange numbers from smallest to the greatest. So we can see the greater amount will be in last. Okay. So who took these steps? Ella. So we can write or we can say Ella took most steps. Ella took most steps. Okay. Then the next question is, who took the least number of steps? Who took the least number of steps? What is least? Least means smaller or less. So here we arrange numbers in increasing order from smaller to the greatest. Well done. Then we can see the smallest number is here. The smallest number is here. Then who took the smallest number of steps? Kiran. So where is Kiran here? Here. So we can say Kiran took the least number of steps. Kiran took the least number of steps. So now I think you can solve the story-like problems and you understood words most and least. Okay. Here some numbers are given. 122, 153 and 105. And they ask, make or write a story problem based on ordering these numbers in degrees in order. So we have to make we have to write a story problem using these numbers. Okay. So how we can do? We can create many varieties and interesting stories using these numbers. We can create a story that we discussed before. So what will be the story? Kedla, Manu and Shreya were walking in a park. And Kedla walked 122 steps and Manu walked 153 number of steps. And then Shreya walked 105 number of steps. Then write their names in degrees in order of the number of steps they took. Okay. So we can create a story that Kadla, Manu and Shreya was friends. They were walking in a park and Kadla walked 122 steps and Manu walked 153 steps and Shreya walked 105 steps. Then write their names in degrees in order of the number of steps they took. So we can create these types of stories. Then we can create another type. What type? Samira has 3 books and book 1 has 122 pages and book 2 has 153 pages and book 3 has 105 pages. Arrange the number of books in degrees in order of the number of pages. Okay? So we can create different and varieties of stories using these numbers. Okay? Now we can discuss the practice questions and workbook questions given. Okay?
In your textbook, first question is about Banu takes 15 minutes to eat lunch, 12 minutes to have a bath, and 45 minutes to play football. Arrange the activities in degrees in order of the amount of time taken to complete them. Here, time taken by Banu for different activities are given. First, you have to arrange the amount of time in degrees in order. According to this, you can arrange the activities also. In second question, Karan has 144 stamps, Joy has 139 stamps and Mehak has 169 stamps. Write their names in degrees in order of the number of stamps they have. First, you have to arrange the number of stamps in degrees in order. According to this, you can arrange their names in degrees in order. In third question, write your own story problem for ordering 173, 136 and 155. In this question, you can create your own different story problem for ordering these 3 numbers. You can ask in either increase in order or decrease in order. In workbook question, first question is number the houses as 1, 2 and 3 to arrange them in increase in order of the house numbers. Here we have to arrange these houses in increase in order. You know, increase in order is arranging numbers from smallest to the greatest. So, if the number 58 is the smallest number, you can write number 1 the. If number 43 is the smallest number, you can write number 1 the. If the 53 is the smallest number, you can write number 1 the. Like that, you can complete. In second question, Anshi, Jimmy and Gogan have robes. The lengths of their robes are given. Write the lengths and names in degrees in order. So, the robe lengths of 3 children are given. So, you have to arrange these robe lengths in degrees in order in first row. According with it, you can arrange their names in degrees in order in second row. In third question, you can create your own story problem based on order in 110, 103 and 112.
Today we studied how to solve story-like problems and how to make stories using numbers. Okay? So, practice well. So, we know that practice make a man perfect. So, practice well and do all your worksheets today itself. Thank you. Bye.